Hello friends, welcome back to a new video. In this video, I have brought a new custom ROM for Redmi 5 Rozi. So here you can see this is a Redmi 5 Android version. You will get Android version 11 in this ROM. As you can see, this is the Corvus OS 16.0 Alpha Centauri. As you can see, unofficial device Rozi maintainer is unknown. And here the Cellnex is permissive. As you can see, built 20 May built. I have recorded this video very late, so I am sorry for delay. As you can see, Cellnex permissive 12 plus kernel is installed in this ROM. So let's check all the features and the bugs of this ROM. So basically, I have used this ROM for many days. I does not feel any bugs. I do not find any bugs in this ROM. Let's check the battery temperature. Battery usage, as you can see, battery usage is good, and the battery performance is good in this ROM. There is no any problem in the battery performance. There is certain drop in the battery, but it is not, this sudden drop in the battery is not genuine, it is fake. So here you can see Wi-Fi is working perfectly fine. There is no problem in the Wi-Fi. Jio is working perfectly fine without any problem, and Volt is working Jio Wi-Fi hotspot. And here is the speed, here is the data usage. As you can see, it works perfectly fine. And let's check the display. All the features are the same in the display. Double tap to wake, double tap to sleep, everything is working perfectly fine. And here is the Raven themes, Raven's layers are the, as you can see, here is the custom navigation style. You can choose it according to your use. I have already selected this one. You can use One UI, One Plus as use, or default is also available. And here is the status icons. You can switch it according to your use. Everything works perfectly fine without any problem. And here is the features. Here is the notification. Light is working perfectly fine. Only the problem is that when you switch off your device and charge your device, after switch off, if you charge your device after shutdown, your there will be no icon of charging. Only the black screen will occur with a little bit light glow. And here are some of the features: lock screen, battery optimization icon, clock option, battery option, everything is working perfectly fine. I have fully tested this ROM, so if you want to check all the features, you can check it according to your use. So you can easily apply all the features. It works perfectly fine. And let's check the sound is also working perfectly. Vibration is also working. Right now it is selected none. Let's check. As you can see, it works perfectly fine without any problem. So vibration is also working. Navigation bar vibration is also working. First let's check the fingerprint speed. Tap open. Why fingerprint speed is not working? Let me check why fingerprint is not working right now. Security, I have already applied the fingerprint, but it is not working right now. Let me apply another one. So as you can see, you can easily apply. Let's check the speed. Tap. Bro, fingerprint is not working right now. Let me restart it. So here you can see, here is the logo of the Corvus OS. Here is the Corvus OS. As you can see, it works. Now let's check the fingerprint. It works perfectly fine after the restart. As you can see, fingerprint speed is good. As you can see, it does not detect your fingerprint in one click. Let's check the Call of Duty performance. I have already tested the Antutu benchmark test in the previous video. You can check that. And let's check the Call of Duty performance. So if you want to install this ROM, and the smoothness, and if I talk about the change logs of this ROM, change logs is that Cellnex is permissive, and the speed of this ROM is increased. There is boost in the speed, and all the change log will be written in the description, so you must check the description. So now let's check the gaming performance of this ROM. Gaming performance of this ROM is great. There is no lag or any problem in the starting when you open the game. The game is very smooth. There is no problem. You can use this ROM for daily usage also. I recommend this ROM, but you can check out the security. Face unlock sometimes does not work. There is no lag or any problem in this ROM. It works perfectly fine without any problem. As you can see, it is very smooth, so don't worry, you can easily use this ROM for daily usage. I recommend this ROM. And if you want more better performance in the gaming, you can try Lineage OS ROM. That one ROM is also great. That ROM is the best ROM for gaming. and the Corvus ROM is also great, so there is no problem in the Corvus ROM. So if you like the video, press the like button and subscribe my channel for daily updates.